Hey there. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to be discussing how to write a statement of purpose. A statement of purpose, or SOP for short, is an essential component of any graduate school application. It's a chance to introduce yourself to the admissions committee and explain why you're a great candidate for their program. In this video, we'll cover the key elements of a strong SOP and offer some tips to help you get started. So let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the purpose of the statement. The first step to writing a great SOP is to understand its purpose. Your statement should explain who you are, your academic and professional background, and your goals for graduate school. It's also an opportunity to demonstrate your fit with the program you're applying to and explain why you're a good fit for their particular institution. Step 2. Research the program/institution. Before you start writing your SOP, it's important to research the program or institution you're applying to. Look into their values, goals, curriculum, and faculty members. This will help you tailor your statement to their specific requirements and demonstrate your knowledge and interest in the program. Step 3. Highlight your achievements. In your SOP, you should provide a brief overview of your academic and professional background, highlighting your achievements and accomplishments. Use specific examples to illustrate your skills and experiences. Be sure to connect your accomplishments to your goals for graduate school. Step 4. Outline your goals. Clearly state your academic and career goals and how they relate to the program or institution you're applying to. Explain why you're interested in pursuing these goals and how the program will help you achieve them. Remember, your goals should be specific, achievable, and relevant to your chosen field. Step 5. Explain your motivation. Discuss your motivation for pursuing a graduate degree in your field of study. Explain why you're passionate about the subject matter and how you plan to contribute to the field. Be sure to connect your motivation to your goals for graduate school. Step 6. Be concise and well organized. When writing your SOP, keep it clear, concise, and well organized. Avoid using overly technical jargon or language that may be difficult for the reader to understand. Use headings and subheadings to break up your statement and make it easier to read. Step 7. Edit and proofread. Once you've written your statement, make sure to edit and proofread it thoroughly. Check for spelling and grammar errors and ensure that your ideas are presented in a logical and coherent manner. It's also a good idea to have someone else read your SOP for feedback and suggestions. Conclusion. Writing a strong SOP can be challenging, but by following these tips and guidelines, you'll be well on your way to creating an excellent statement of purpose. Remember to highlight your achievements, outline your goals, and explain your motivation for pursuing a graduate degree. With a little bit of effort and attention to detail, you can create a compelling SOP that will help you stand out from the competition. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your graduate school applications.